question we are looking at is on the statistics. It's under statistics, and under statistics, we can be asked to find the mean, the median, and the mode, or we can be asked to find the frequency distribution table to construct it. So this one says construct a tally frequency distribution table for the data. So if that is what you need, you just need only three spaces like one, two, three, like three columns. But because you will be finding the mean, to calculate the mean, instead of just having to line up all of the numbers like this plus this plus this plus this and divide it by the total entries, you know, you can as well use this column to do that. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do because in the previous example, we have been able to see how to find a mean by adding like the first number plus the second number plus the third number and so on, you know, divide by total entry to get your mean. But that's not what we're going to be doing because this is a kind of lengthy data. It's not just 10 entries, it's not just 8 entries. Exactly. So if I count them, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So this is like 31 or let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's in twos. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 32, then 33. So they have to be 33 if I'm right, but let's continue. So the first thing you need here, these are shoe sizes. Just write size or shoe sizes here. Then you can represent all of the sizes. We don't have any double digit there, so it's only unit digit. And there is no size 1, 2, or 3 started from size 4, so we can have size 4, size 5, size 6, size 7, size 8, and 9. There is no double digit, so I think you can space this now. So 4 is there, there is 5, there is also 6, then there is 7, there is 8, and there is 9. So with this, I can just separate each of these cells, separate them this way, so it can make a lot of sense. Now that I've done this, I need to count how many of these numbers occurred in the data. So I'm going to start from 4. I want to count the 4s. So how many 4 can I see there? I can see 1, I can see 2, 3, 4, I can see 5. So in tally, this is going to be the tally. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. If there is any other one, I'll just drop it here. But because there is nothing more, I pick it as a binded group 5 entries. So the next digit I'm considering there is 5. So please make sure you're concentrating on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can see more. So 1, let me, so I can see later. So 1, 2, 3. So these are 3 entries. Use your video and let me see if you're there. So I can be sure you're listening to me. Then number 6. For number 6, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then is it still existing? Yeah. The 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm looking for 7. So let's count the 7s that are there. So from here I can see 1. Yeah, let me cross it this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. The next one is 8. So how many 8s can I see there? This is 1 and 2. So the 8 is just 2. What about 9? Oh, 9 doesn't exist. I thought 9 would be there, so I have to remove this one because I don't need it. So let me just cut away all of this region. Cut this away. Okay, now I'm done with the tally. Now the frequency, F frequency. So this is 5 and this is 8 counts, this is 10 counts, this is 6 and this is 2. If I add all of the frequency, it's called summation F. That is addition of all the numbers. And if you know, if I want to, I mean, not addition of all the numbers, but the total entries, like you counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add. This is 10 plus 2, that is, no, not 10 plus 2. 8 plus 2, that's 10. There's another 10, that's 20. Then 5 and 6, that's 11, making 31. So that means I was right when I counted 31. So let me check it again. 8 and 2, that's 10. Another 10, that's 20. Then 11, that's 31. So the total of this summation F is going to be 31. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's get what's supposed to be here is fx. This shoe size is the x, so we need fx. How do we get fx? We multiply this, okay? So I'm going to put 20 here, I'm going to put 40 here, I'm going to put 60 here, I'm going to put 42 here, and I'm going to put 16 here. Now, unmute yourself and explain to me if you understand how I arrive at all of these columns. I mean, all the details in this column.
Pardon?
Yes, how did I arrive at all the details in this column?
Which one? The frequency or the FX?
This one.
Okay, so what you did, so the size is going to be X and F equals for frequency. That basically means frequency times X. So you have to do
Okay,
4 times
yeah.
T, and 5 times 8 equals 40, 6 times 10 equals 60, 7 times 1 times 6 equals 42, and 8 times 2 equals 16.
Okay, very good, very good. So take note of that. You're going to do exactly that in the work I'm going to give you. So you need addition of fx. So that is called summation fx. We're going to add them together. Let's see if we can add them mentally. Look at this. This is 100 and this is 62, making 162 plus 10, 172 plus 6. That is 178. Check it. Do you get the way I added them together?
Yeah.
This is 100. This is 62. That's 162 plus 10 here, 172 plus 6, 178. So now to get the mean, our mean, what we're supposed to do is to add all of these numbers and line them all up and now divide by the total entry, which is 31. But instead of doing that, that has been catered for already because this is like lining them up in the tally form, okay?
Okay.
Like we're lining them up from the smallest to the biggest. Like we're saying this is like writing 4, another 4, another 4, another 4, another 4. 5 of them in this place, okay? Then here, this is like writing 5, 5, 5, 5, all of them. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So all of the fours have been added to get this 20. All of the fives have been added to get this 40. All of the sixes have been added to get this 60. All of the sevens have been added to get this, and all of the eights have been added because this is like 8 and 8, the two eights that existed in the data. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So with this, we know that we've already added everything, and that's what gave us 178. So mean is the sum of the data, sum of data, and that is our summation, fx, divided by total data population. that is how many of them are there, and that is summation f. So our mean is summation fx over summation f, which is 178 over 31. So we can use our calculator or enemies to divide this and say how many 31 is in 178. But please focus on the screen. So 178 divided by 31. This gives me 5.7 approximately. 5.741935. So this is 5.7 as our mean, and mean is also called x bar, so that's mean. So we've been able to find the mean. You're going to follow this same procedure for your assignment, the one I'm going to give you. Then the next thing it says find the median. I told you median means you should rearrange from the smallest to biggest. And look at the table. If you look at the tally has already rearranged everything from smallest to biggest because this is 4 to 8, okay? And the 4s have been lined up, up to the 5s, up to the 6s, the 7s, and the 8. So with that, we can go ahead and use this data, this table to find our median as well, instead of having to rearrange all the data all over again. Now, how do we do that? We check for the position, median position now. Median position. This will be the total number or total population over 2 if it's an even number. But because we have odd number n, this is like n, odd number n, we're going to add plus 1 because we're dealing with odd. So that is 31 plus 1 all over 2. That will be 32 over 2, and that will be 16th position. So which of the numbers lie in the 16th position from beginning to the end when you count them? That is when you rearrange from the smallest to the biggest. So let's count the tallies to see them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry. The first one is 5, so don't let me forget. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this place. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in this place. So the 13th figure is 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
The first figure is 4, second figure is 4, the third, the fourth, and the fifth is also 4. That's why we have 5 here, okay?
Yeah.
And we're looking for the 16th one. So now the 6th, 7th, 8th, and so on. So let's count it now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13th one is 5. So the 14th figure will be 6. The 15th figure will also be 6. The 16th figure will also be 6. So and we're looking for the 16th figure here. So that means our median is 6. Okay?
Okay.
Because this is going to be the midpoint, middle arrangement. So that is the median. And that's 6. Now, talking about the mode, which of the numbered has the highest frequency? Can you check the table? Which of the frequency is the highest? Under the frequency, which one is the highest?
The 10.
The 10. So which number does it stand for?
6.
6. So the mode is 6 because it occurred 10 times. Is that clear?
Yes.
I'm talking about the range. Range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. The biggest is 8, the smallest is 4. So we have the biggest minus smallest. That is 8 minus 4.
4.
And that's going to be 4.
Which equals
So you can see with the table, it will be easier to get every other details you're looking for. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to give you some time to put this down. Once you put this down, I'll send you your assignment, okay?
Okay.
Annabelle, for me now, I've sent your homework and assignment over, okay?
Okay.
What time does Ambrose stop?
sure, but you told her to go.
She got a book.
This is it.
Yeah. How are you, Annabelle?
I'm good.
How was school today?
It was good.
Okay. And were you given any assignment from school, over the weekend to do?
No.
No. Okay. So, and I was told that your mom arrived late yesterday, so she couldn't give you the work I sent. Definitely work. I'm going to bring it up now, then you're going to try it a bit, okay?
Okay.
All right, just hold on while I bring the work up here. Hold on here. Number line is a topic we're looking at, and we know, like I said, it is a line that is used to represent numbers. So at times it could contain negative numbers or positive numbers. But this time around, we will be working with um, only positive numbers, okay?
Okay.
Good, good. So let's look at this. We have this line that you can see, and it has some numbers on it. The first number says 820, and the next one says this is 830. Then we want to fix this. Want to fix this 908 somewhere. So 908 cannot be between the two 800s. This is 908. Okay. So it cannot go here because it can be between the 800s. So the 900 should go after the 900, and it cannot be beyond 910 because it's 908. So definitely this one should come into this place. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just to move this or copy it, like move it into here. This is 908 because it's before 910. Can you see 910? Can you see 910?
Yes.
So now you understand why 908 is here, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this 9 on this 918, this second one, it's gonna be beyond 910. So that means it's supposed to be at the end of the look, let me undo that. So it's supposed to be at the end this way. So that's because it's close to 920. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. It's close to 920. So that's what we have here. Then this 865 should go after 860. Okay.
Okay.
So for the 865, we'll put it here because we can see 860 and we can see 870. And 865 is in between the two of them. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
And the last number, of course, is 834. So it's going to go straight into this place because it's above 830. This is 830, 840, and 834. 834 is between the two numbers. Now, the second one, we have 780 at the bottom. So this 780 is going to go somewhere. Let's see, it's going to go beyond 700, but it's not going to pass 800. So, um, yeah, it's going to go here. Then 1130 is going to go somewhere that is beyond 1100. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Then 1070 is going to go beyond 1000, but less than 1100. So it's going to be here. Then this 530 is going to be at the other end here. So you understand this, right?
Yes.
Okay, there is another one that look like it. Let me check it out. Hold on a bit, okay? One, we're talking about this second one. We have done the first part, to position the missing number here. We looked at 530 and we counted only one step, and that is 531. Is that clear?
Yes.
And this other one, we have 560, we have 570. So between them, we counted up to 5 steps here. That's 565, okay? And this one, 580, 590, then we counted 4 steps. That's 584. That's how we arrive at the number there. And this last one, we have 620, we have 610, then we counted 9 steps. That is 619. And that's where we got this, okay? And the second one, we have 200 here, we have 100 here, then we must count in tens, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Because the distance at the top here is 10, that's why we're counting ones. Is that clear?
Yeah.
But here, we're going to count in tens because it's 100 difference, okay?
Okay.
So that is 10, 20, 30, 40, let me see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 150. So what do you think this second box should be? Tell me.
320.
Yeah, 320, that's correct, okay? And what about this one?
590.
Good, 590. What about the last one, the last box there?
So we're coming.
Yeah,
850.
correct, 850. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's just revisit this addition. The first one has been done. When you say 4 plus 10 plus 3, you counted 4, you counted 10, and counted another 3. That gives us 17, okay? Is that clear?
Okay.
So now, from
Yeah.
this 0, I'm going to count 6 first. So up to 6. So when I count 6, I stop it on the 6, okay?
Okay.
Then I'm going to make the next move and count another 10. So 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10, okay?
Okay.
Then I'll count 2 more. So counting 2, 1, 2. It's here. So what's my final answer?
18.
18, that's correct. So here I have 18. Or I can just write it in the box. 1 and 8. It's 18. So the next one, 3 and 5 and 8. So we're gonna use the same method. This is 3, and this is gonna be 5. Let me see. So you can use them the column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the next one is gonna be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this landed on 16, okay?
Yes.
And that is, and the next one says, see this one, it says 9, so go all the way to 9. Then the next one is 6, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the next one, we go 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it landed on 20. So that's our answer, 20. And the last but not the least, we have What's the first one there? We have 11. So going
11.
all the way to 11. So from here, stop on 11. Then the next one, we
5.
go, how many steps? 5.
5.
So 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. Oh, there we go. So 1. I'm trying to change the color again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the last one is 2. So we go on 2 steps. That's 18.
18.
Good. So this is 18. And that's it. We have done the 3 of them. So I'm going to give you some time to put this down, particularly this 1 and 2. Once you're through, you put the second and third one down as well, okay?
Okay.
Then when you're through, when we're through for today, I'm going to give you assignment. So you can start now.